ANTEC at Computex 2025, and we're starting with something quite familiar, what you already saw on the reviews. We have Core Micro, what you've seen already on the reviews. We have those retro games, and you already know everything about it. I've shown you in the review, and I'm going to link it down in the description so you can check it if you missed it. And of course, the Core HS, but this time with the accessories, what you have right here, you get an upgraded version, which, if you remember, last time what we had was AMD Ryzen with 7840U processor. Now we have it with 8840U processor. Quite cool handheld, and of course the review was already done with 7840U, so I'll just place the link in the description. You can check that out as well and just get more info about it, so we don't waste too much time, because what we have here, and apart from the CH curve wood and the FLUX PRO builds, which is regular, we have new cases, and you'll just enjoy these ones. What we have right here is the ANTEC 900, and they are reviving the old model. As you can see, we have quite loads of space inside these cases, because I'll just go with, we have different panel types, or the edges. You have this type of bluish mint color, black. We have the racing green, and of course we have the gloss black and the matte black, and finally the whole build, which, as you can see, you have the possibility to place 240 here. The case is coming with two 200 Chromax black fans from Noctua, which is going to be, of course, interesting. I'll show you that in a bit. 360 radiator on top. You can place the water pump here at the back, and mesh bottom just for a better intake at the bottom. And as you can see, loads of space. Two 200mm fans that will be pre-installed with the ANTEC 900. So this is going to be quite interesting. And I think you can see the pattern here, because they're starting with the collaboration with Noctua, and we have Seasonic here. So if you remember my old reviews when we're talking about signature models, signature platinum power supplies from ANTEC, we have here the Signature 2500 Platinum ATX 3.1, and you can see a quite familiar design right here. They didn't want to change the design. They want to keep the original Seasonic visual aspect, just to, well, basically, you don't have to watch my reviews and other reviews to notice that this is a Seasonic platform, which gives you, of course, some more reliability, let's put it this way. We have the, this is a 2500 watts Signature as well. This platform is from FSP, and then we have another one right here, which is also, as you can see, quite familiar, Seasonic. Right here, what you can see, we have the performance one with a vertical stand, and we have also the performance with the Exoskeleton, well, Exo case, which gives option to modders to basically do whatever they wish. So in terms of that, this is the open chassis that you can adjust as you wish. And then we have something more. This is Workstation AI Cooler, which goes for Threadripper and basically anything that you desire to put in your workstation. And finally, you've seen this vertical mount for the GPU, but this time it's, of course, upgraded with PCI Gen 5 riser cable. And as I mentioned, you can see the pattern going on right here. We have the FLUX PRO Noctua edition, because you have the wooden accent, as per usual. You have Noctua logo right here, and you have three Noctua fans here on front, two 120 here at the bottom, and one 140 here at the back, with Noctua color scheme going through the mesh part, bottom and top, of course. And the full build, well, this is something a bit different, because what we have right here is a full custom build. But regardless of that, the case will be coming with pre-installed Noctua fans. Nice Noctua logo here, end of the tempered glass. And the interesting thing, we're having Noctua colors all over the place. So we're having rubber grommets here in Noctua brown, and of course the bottom part, where, as you can see, you still have the mesh part, so you can remove it as on standard FLUX PRO case. The pre-installed fans here, and the three 140s on the front. So you're basically having two 120 and three 140 Noctua fans pre-installed in the FLUX PRO with Noctua colors and just a bit of a Noctua badges. So that's quite cool. It's going to be interesting to see the price of this. The case was really appealing with the price tag, specifically because it was one of the best airflow cases. So without a doubt, yeah, it's going to be quite interesting to see that. And then we go with the P80. Now, the P80 is also something quite familiar, but they're aiming here to have a quiet case. Now, I know this looks a bit strange when you mentioned quiet case. As you can see, you have an opening right here, but there's dampening pads around the fans here and dampening pads here as well. So check this out. This means that they will extend this to 120 or 140, and you're basically having a directional airflow. So no air is going outside of the chassis directly through the airflow parts. So it kind of creates a better airflow, but still keeps the thing quiet. The front tempered glass does have openings on the edges and dampening pads on the side. Finally, let's talk screen. When we're talking about ANTEC and their AIOs, right here we have the Vortex View, which has this option right here. So you can rotate the screen as you wish. This is quite cool. Of course, we're having the ANTEC Unity 2 software, which will be released at the same time as the AIO. They're going to go with non-RGB fans just for the premium look, more performance. And we're going to have a completely new pump here. So this is going to be also something interesting to check out. The top part can be rotated in terms of release, so you can get the screen out of the position. And PWM fans, both coming in black, white and black. And this sums up ANTEC's booth at Computex this year. This is quite interesting because we have two new old cases. We're having an AIO which has the screen with Vortex View. So basically we're going with same names, but just adding more functionality in terms of screen and definitely some new fans. We're getting an updated ANTEC Core HS, and you saw the Core Micro. And basically that's it. Everything that you saw, I either, well, the handhelds I reviewed, but the cases, of course, they'll be coming by the end of this year. So you'll be seeing a full detailed review of each of those, without a doubt, quite shortly. Thanks for sticking by. See you in the new one. Bye.